Hello, I am Stuti Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. UP Limited delivers promising results with its ProNativa Sada Samruddh groundnut program in Gujarat. This project provides groundnut farmers with integrated agricultural service like IPM kits, soil testing, weather services, crop advisory, and high-tech enabled farmer mechanization services to boost groundnut yield and income. Ashish Dhobal, Regional Head of India UP Limited, said, "We are delighted to see the incredible results from the program, which has not only led to an increase in the crop yield but also helped farmers increase their income." ESDS Software Solution Limited launches its digital platform FarmRath. It aims to assist the farmer in extracting maximum yield and thereby revenue from their piece of land by connecting them and irrelevant stakeholders in the agricultural ecosystem. Kishore Shah, head of SpokeUp, said FarmRath has been created to simplify farmers' job in their field using technology and attempt to increase their income through the ecosystem. TVS Motor Company wins India Green Energy Award in the category of Outstanding Renewable Energy at the 3rd edition of India Green Energy Award 2020 by the Indian Federation of Green Energy. The company has won this award as an acknowledgement of its sustainable efforts to increase the uses of alternative power sources and renewable energy to ensure long-term energy security and stability. Soiltech India Private Limited, a top Indian geotechnical engineering, coal drilling and geographical consulting company start-off in West Bengal. Kranti Deepak Sharma, CEO of Seed Technologies India Private Limited, described it's a special model built considering specific requirement of the state. Farmart raises $10 million in a funding round led by Matrix Partners India. Alek Sangria, co-founder and chief executive of Farmart, said, "Our vision is to build an operating system for the agribusiness community in India, starting with agri-retailers who are at the core of our business." Krishi Jagran team visit in Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. The team closely interact with the farmers on a wide range of topics ranging from understanding the process of crop production to how rainfall have affected their farming and income this season. BioAgri 2021, the biggest ever BioAgri conference in India, is going to be held in Hyderabad at Westin Madhapur on October 28 and 29 October. The theme of the conference will be Bioinnovation for Regenerative Agriculture. The first ever two-day conference is expected to attract around 150 plus delegates. The 2020 World Food Prize laureate Dr. Ratan Lal is among many other keynote speakers to address this conference. Krishi Jagran organizes a webinar on the theme of how agri-exhibition industry will scale up post-COVID-19. In this webinar, Dr. B.R. Kamboj, Vice Chancellor Chaudhary Charan Singh Haryana Agriculture University and Dr. A.K. Karnatak, VC, SG Uttarakhand University of Horticulture and Forestry were among the keynote speakers.
कोविड-19 के बाद एक ऐसी परिस्थिति कुछ मन में एक शंका थी कि उसके बाद हम किस प्रकार से एग्री बिजनेस इंडस्ट्री को सस्टेन कर पाएंगे। इसमें मुझे शक इसलिए नहीं नजर आता है क्योंकि जितने भी सेक्टर्स रहे कोविड-19 के दौरान वो कहीं ना कहीं नेगेटिव ग्रोथ के साथ रहे, लेकिन कृषि का एक ऐसा क्षेत्र था जिसमें वो सस्टेन कर पाया और हम पॉजिटिव ग्रोथ के साथ आगे बढ़े।
मेरा ये मानना है कि किसान मेले का आयोजन दो चीजों के लिए बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है। एक तो किसान जो है वो बीज ले जाता है, जैसे कि अभी हमारे हरियाणा कृषि विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति जी ने कहा कि उन्होंने 2 दिन में उन्होंने बताया कि इतने रुपए का बीज उन्होंने सेल किया। तो ये जो बीज जो होता है ये किसानों तक पहुंचता है, नया नया बीज पहुंचता है। और जैसे कि हम सबको मालूम है कि जो बीज जो है वो 20% बीज बदलने की जरूरत है, तभी उपज जो है वो सही होती है। और अगर उपज सही नहीं होगी, बीज वही लगातार वही बीज लगता रहेगा, तो उत्पादकता जो है वो प्रभावित होती है। तो ये कैसे अब आगे किया जाए, ये प्रश्न आज के इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में है। तो मुझे लगता है कि अब ऐसी दिक्कत तो नहीं आएगी, और लेकिन हम लोग अगर ऐसी दिक्कत आती है तो बड़ा स्क्रीन लगा करके भी हम लोग कार्यक्रम इस तरह से कर सकते हैं।
For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.